Hello, everyone. I wanted to talk to you today about the application of ice on injuries and why it's not a great thing to do. I see it mainly with young gymnasts, young athletes that are competing, training. I understand the reasoning behind putting ice when somebody is during competition. You want the athlete to go back to their activity as soon as possible because it's competition, and this thing comes with a price because when you put ice on an injury, it does not allow the inflammatory response to happen and take away the pain. Then you can further damage the tissue. So that's up to people to decide what's more important, their health or at a specific moment, the competition that they're in or the sport that they're doing. If that's more important, then sometimes it's more important, and I can understand that and appreciate it. But when we're not talking about competitive sport, we're not talking about when somebody needs to go back and perform right away after their injury, then ice is by definition not a good thing, because what we're doing is that we basically block the body from feeling pain. We stop the pain. We don't allow our body to feel it. And then we can continue to do motions that if we did feel pain, we wouldn't do. So basically, we're kind of like fooling our body, and it's not for our benefit. The other thing is, we stop the inflammatory response. And stopping the inflammatory response is basically like having a car accident and stopping the police department from coming, stopping from the EMS to come and treat the injured people, and stopping the fire department from coming and rescuing people from the wreckage or from turning down the flames. This is something that nobody would ever think of doing, but when it comes to injuries, the common concept is to put ice right away on a fresh injury. And this is really not a good idea, exactly for those reasons. We want the inflammatory response. Inflammatory response helps our tissue rejuvenate faster, helps our tissue recover faster, and prevent us from further injuring the same place over and over again. So this is my explanation on why not to put ice. There is a lot of understanding behind it. It's not something that I invented. It's a very well-known fact. It's just a common practice to put ice, and many people don't really think about the consequences of doing so because it gives them a quick solution to the pain that they experience and makes them feel a little bit better. So next time you consider putting ice on an injured tissue, think about it and try to see if there is other solutions that you can apply, or if you can just rest. And if the pain is not too bad, then just allow yourself to recover. Allow yourself the time to recover. Allow your body to do what it's supposed to do, and don't stop the inflammatory response. That's it. Have a nice day. Thank you for watching.